Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just filmed myself doing a really good cleaning on my fridge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you guys don't miss any of my videos, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Our fridge looks so empty right now. We really need to go grocery shopping, but once we're grocery shopped and everything, our fridge is usually stocked of food. For the fridge, I like to use just straight bleach to clean our stuff. I just feel like that's what disinfects the best, especially after food goes bad. I just feel like that's the best way to get a deep cleaning on your fridge, and it smells good. wish our freezer was a little bit bigger. We kind of have to stuff everything in there and organize it really well for everything to fit, especially because when we buy meat, we buy it in bulk, and so we freeze mostly all of it. So our freezer is usually jam-packed of food. I didn't fit myself putting all of the food back into the freezer, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I do meat all the way to the right, then I do vegetables. On the top I do our fish, and then I do my husband's snacks. On the bottom of that rack we have ice packs, and then on the door we do more vegetables, bread, and our ice tray. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.